My name is Chelsea Rochman, and I'm a professor in the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at the University of Toronto. For the last decade, I have been studying the sources of plastic pollution into the environment, where it goes when it ends up in our marine environment or freshwater ecosystems, and how it impacts those ecosystems, including wildlife. This issue has risen on the global stage as an important environmental issue, and it's been prioritized recently in Canada. First of all, we're surrounded by ocean, and we have a lot of freshwater ecosystems that are contaminated by this material. Over the last year, we've seen our government prioritize the science around the issue, building a more sustainable plastic economy, and mitigating the plastic pollution that already exists. For me, this is exciting. I've been inspired by the idea or the issue of waste for a long time since I was a child, and I'm really excited to have a career being able to both research it as well as work within our own community locally, but also globally on tackling this issue.